Fiso at it again. This time around, guys, Fiso is cooking, guys. Remember last episode it was Angelique. This time around it's Zinxumalo, guys. Fiso commented on Zinxumalo. He said that Zinxumalo is always with dancers, but now his dancers are lazy and are lazier than the artists, guys. So in other words, he's trying to say that Zinxumalo is lazy, guys. So yep, here's Fiso's clip saying that Zinxumalo is lazy, guys.
They move differently.
Zinxumalo is always with dancers, bro. Brian,
Yeah,
now they're even lazy.
Let me tell you, but with Zinxumalo, when she performs in clubs,
Those dancers are lazy than the artists now.
let me tell you. I've never seen that one, bro.
You were lying, bro. You the one that pointed it out of the group. You see when I said Taki changed? Taki came to me like, bro, look at the dancers as Zinxumalo. They're lazy as fuck.
Okay. You see,
And I actually paid attention.
let me tell you something, Masle.
Okay.
I can say whatever and I will never deny it. He is the one that said that shit. We were no, I swear to fucking God, because he's lying.
you were
Do you
there.
understand? He's lying. We were at Quarter Fest.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, those dancers are, I was like, the dancers, they're dancing. I think there was one that's part of the community. And you're like, hey, that gay one, I know that gay one. You called him by name.
This Mamacita.
Exactly. How would I know Mamacita? So he's saying it's me. See, you're much of a, why are you lying, bro?
Bro,
don't
it's
lie.
you,
dog.
dog.
I don't like liars, bro. Don't lie.
Taki, sit
Don't
down.
lie.
You said, you see, he's lying. You can look at his face, bro. He's smirking.
Don't lie, Mafetatu.
Mas.
He's
how old am I?
smirking. He's smirking. He's smiling. Look at him there. He's
Mas,
lying.
Look.
Yep, guys, that was Mafetatu and the crew cooking Zinxumalo, guys. I don't know what's your take on this one. You can leave your comments or review down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.